In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram filters not showing up. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to exit Instagram and go to our settings. Now, we just have to scroll down and search for apps. We just need to click on apps again and scroll down and search for Instagram. Once we're on Instagram, all we have to do is to click on storage and click on clear cache. We can also uninstall and reinstall Instagram so that it refreshes or restarts the course of its algorithm or the program it has. Now, if that still doesn't work and you check up your story and the filters are still not showing up, maybe your location is not appropriate to the filter that you want to have. So you can just change your region or use a VPN to change your country and your region. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!